Happy New Year, accordion students. I'm super excited for this new year of accordion. Part of what I plan to do and what I launched in December is live group lessons. What it means is we take Accordion Love lessons and we meet together multiple times in a month and we review them live. It's not just you watching a video of me playing, which is existing on Accordion Love. It's getting together in a group with 5 to 10 other students, and we're doing the lesson together. I give instruction and you do the lesson, and I give you feedback based on what we're doing. I wanted to tell you about what we're doing in January 2025. We're learning about harmony. Harmony. I'll give you a few examples. The song Amazing Grace can sound like this. Or it could sound like this with harmony. The song Super Mario Brother theme song could sound like that, or with harmony. Right, we're adding additional notes to our melody. There are workshops on January 6th and 7th. Learning about the foundation. How do we understand harmony? How do we build chords and voicings? There are workshops on January 13 and 14, the first Monday and Tuesday of the month, and then the second Monday and Tuesday of the month. We're applying harmony towards a song that you're working on. I'll use multiple examples like this. We'll be in a group and we'll go around and apply harmony to the song. There are 2 workshops every day. There should be a URL. You could check out how this is structured and register. And then on the third Sunday of the month, on January 19th, instead of the usual live stream, we'll have a live stream. This is all over Zoom, where you can come with your questions. And again, I'll give you feedback. This isn't a one-on-one lesson. That's not how learning happens. Learning happens in a group. So you're learning both from me and by seeing other people, listening to other people's questions and watching it answered. I'm super excited about this. We're doing this hopefully 8 to 10 times in a year, but I'm inviting you to the January one. Again, check out the URL. This is different than the self-paced Accordion Love membership. This is called a premium membership. You also get invited to a private Discord server where we have threads and you can upload videos and get feedback about the lessons that we're doing. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm super excited to have you there. If you can't make it live, these are all recorded, and I encourage you to watch both this one and previous workshops and be involved. This is the best way to learn because you have that accountability piece and you're learning live. You're showing up and doing the work. I hope to see you there. Let me know if you have any questions.